Hello, Arab Nation, my dear friends. I've been seeing all the requests on Telegram about the TradePRO instructions tutorial. So yeah, we decided at the TradeSpot channel to help you guys out on this, and we are going straight into a basic tutorial on how to use it, how to set up, and why you should be using the TradePRO, a revolutionary platform that David have created, and it's my admiration for this man only grows each step of the way that we are that we are going with. So, okay, my friends, with no further ado, let's get straight into it. Welcome back. This is JD Marks here from the TradeSpot channel, completely dedicated channel for automated trading, searching for passive income. Like I said, today we are going to do a tutorial about the TradePRO. One thing that I'm going to alert you already is that it's going to be a very basic tutorial. I'm going to show you the way that I use the TradePRO, and I made a few tests, and it's amazing, this platform. What they have accomplished with this platform, I don't think that we all still managed to realize how genius this is. Because one thing that, for example, that is completely amazing is that the TradePRO will give you the ability to short trades even on Binance. Imagine, you can short trades on Binance and several other exchanges, crypto exchanges. So what David managed to accomplish is something amazing, because you can short the trades, you can use trailing stops, trailing profits. This is something out of this world, in any of those exchanges. So basically, this is why the TradePRO is such a revolutionary platform, and it only shows the geniality of David. We must be very, very happy to have someone like him behind this business and doing all the things that he's doing. Okay, so I hope that you guys have grasped how groundbreaking and how revolutionary this platform is. And the main reason for me is because of that. Not only you can trade from here, not having to log in to all these different exchanges. With a click of a mouse, you are already in Kraken. You just have to set up your API keys, and we are going to do this a bit later, okay? But all right, let's go back to what I was trying to do. That is the basic tutorial. First thing that you're going to need, and this is how I use, right, guys? There are several other users that may use this differently, but I use like this. So the first step that you need is to register to join this group here, ARB TradePRO Free Signals. Why? Because you are going to be receiving free signals during the whole day, completely free. Of course, there's a paid membership as well, and you receive the signals much earlier and more signals, of course. But the free version is what I've been using, And it is amazing. It's already amazing. So the first step that you need is to register on this Telegram group, the ARB TradePRO free signals. Why? Because you receive the signals and you can act upon it. You have to act upon it really, really fast, because one thing in trading signals that I have learned, remember, I've been trading for 15 years now, and I'm not much of a user of signals. This is actually the first time that I've been trying these signals, and because it worked. So so let's say here you receive one signal that is to buy or to short XBT at this price. You have to enter exactly at this price. Don't chase the trades. Never chase a trade. If you lose and the price, if you miss the entry and the price is already gone up or down, don't chase. Okay, wait for the next signal. And that's why it's so genius to have this thing here, because instead of like I received a signal from Kraken, then I receive a signal from Binance, I have to go there and log in and do all this stuff, 2FA, and then go do the trade. Now, not with the TradePRO. With the click of a button, I'm already there, and I'm trading. So you receive the signals, you analyze it for yourself, learn how to trade, do some courses, analyze it for yourself, do a little bit of shorting, and look at it. I'm willing to buy here. It's a good place to buy or to short. Then you enter the trade, okay? But from my experience, you can use the signals pretty safely. It's really amazing how it works. Okay, so that's it. Step one, get inside and join the ARB TradePRO free signals Telegram group. Okay, I'll leave the handle here. As you can see, it's here now, but I'll leave the link on the description as well for you guys. Okay, once you have already joined the group, the Telegram group, you just have to wait for the signals. Then you can come here and trade. So in order for you to trade, first of all, you have to set up your API keys. Okay, the API is a remote controlling setup that allows TradePRO to trade, to place the trade, not to trade, because you are going to be trading, to place the trade on Binance, even if you're not there. If I close this, I'm able to trade on Binance. It's completely amazing. All right. So, okay, let's first of all move on then to how you're going to trade. For you to trade like this on TradePRO, you have to go to your account and you have to come here on API setting. All right. So let's do one right now. ARB TradePRO. And create new key. Okay, let's do it. All right. What? Okay, now that you have your API keys, they are here. We are going to set up here on the TradePRO. Okay. The way to do it here is you come to your account, then you come here to MBOT, and here you can find exchange keys. Those are all the exchanges that they have already set up TradePRO. So this is the ones you can set up your keys. As you can see here, I had already done this before for Binance, but it's since the Binance had this problem with the hacking and everything, we have to create new ones. All right, so let's do it. Easy peasy. Okay, you come here, you copy, you paste, and then you copy and paste your secret key. This is easy as everything, you know, very, very easy to do. Copy and paste. Right, if you want to, you can put some addresses here, but you don't have to. Actually, the only thing that you have to do is to put the API keys. Click save. Successfully added. So now you have your Binance account linked to your TradePRO, which means that we can log out from here. Okay, let's check if it's the same value here. Let's have a look. Kraken, no, Binance. Let's look at Binance. And we are set. See, those are my balances. Those are my coins that I have in Binance. This is what you're going to see when you set up yours. Then you can see the open trades, trade history, everything that you have done. Okay, so you are done with Binance. You are done. All right, so as you can see, we have our Binance, and from now on, if I want to trade on Binance, and actually as the same as we set up Binance, and you see the balances here, you see that I'm connected with Binance. If I place an order here, it's going to register there in the exchange. I don't have to go there, log in. It's genius. TradePRO is genius. So I just have to wait for the signals. Before that, I want to just show you this. You have seen the process of how to do it. It's pretty easy. Now you can do on your own, huh? Because I don't know what exchanges you like to trade. I like to use Binance and Kraken and Poloniex sometimes, but I prefer to stick to Binance and Kraken. You can do it for all the exchanges here. I don't know if it's worth it to do for all of them. I think you have to stick with only the exchanges that you really use. You know, if you want to put some money on Binance, that's put some money there and wait for the signal. Then I have a second one, Kraken, and then maybe you have a third one. I think if you have three plus BitMEX, if you have three exchanges here with API keys, you are going to have plenty of trades to trade with TradePRO and the signals. Okay, so I think this is it, guys. We don't have anything else to show you about TradePRO for now, of course. And another thing is that more experienced users on TradePRO can be using this in a different way. So search for their videos and look at it because you find lots of instructions there on YouTube. Okay, but here, yeah, you have already Binance here. The TradePRO is working. I wait for the signals on Binance and I come here and place the trade. Okay, I can short on Binance. This is amazing, guys. So yeah, this is mostly it. I want to also give a shout out to Matt Crypto and his video here.
We are here, guys, on the backup channel Crypto
This
Connect.
is an amazing video that you should watch. Matt has done a call with David, and David has told him some things that we can expect for this month of June. So my advice is hold on tight to your ARB tokens. This is going to explode, guys. I'm sorry for being overconfident, but that's how I am. And you can be certain that here we are, TradeSpot channel, and watch this video for Matt. This is an amazing video, and it's going to show you a glimpse of what's going to happen in the future, more specifically this month of June. So great things, great recovery for life. You know, David is a genius. You stick to your ARB tokens and you are going to be very happy very soon. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. It's always a pleasure to be here with you guys. If you have any questions, please post on the comment. If you like the vid, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you think it's interesting. If our channel is add value to your trading, to your crypto, to your passive income search and automated trading bot search, because that's what we do. All right, so again, thank you very much. I see you in the next video.